welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to find a even number or a odd number. This is a very easy program, you all know, but I will show you. Let's start. I am taking n as input, n as the number, int input, enter the number, okay, done. Enter the number. So what does even number mean? Suppose I'm given a 20 number is 24, okay. Suppose the number is 24. How can we understand it is a even? Because this number will be divisible by 2. 12 2s are 24 and the remainder is 0. We are dividing this number by 2. If the remainder comes as 0, then it is even. And if the remainder is non-zero, that means 1, then it is odd. So we have to check about the remainder. Have to check the remainder. For remainder checking, we need to use modulus. For that, I will write if n mod 2. Why 2? Because we are dividing by 2. And why mod? Because we want the remainder. Okay. N mod 2 equals to 0. I also told why 0. Okay. Then print the number the number is even. Okay, number is even. Else, what I will write in else what? Else print the number is odd. Else the number is odd. Okay, now let's check. Enter the number. I give 4. See, number is even. Okay, I give suppose I give 15. Let me check again. I give here 15. Okay, number is odd because 15 is an odd number. 2 7s are 14 and remainder is 1. We are checking the remainder portion. We are using mod. Okay, that is the reason. Now suppose you don't want to input from the user, you want to give the number in the program only, then you can do also this like this. You are taking n equals to, suppose you want to give n equals to 4. Okay, see, the number is even. You have given 4, so the number is even. Okay, let me give here 19. Number is odd because 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18 and 1. Remainder is 1. Okay, that's why it's odd. It's a very easy program. I have given you some logics also how to understand. If you have any queries, just comment. I will obviously answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.